Okay, guys, welcome back to part 2 of our fluency. Okay, we only have 4 questions on this one, so we need to find the area and perimeter for each of these 4 shapes. Question 11, find the area. First thing we ask ourselves is what shape is it? It's a rectangle. Okay, formula for the rectangle. We need to write the formula first. Each time we need to do that. Base times height. Okay, the base here is a root of 81, and we know that the root of 81 is 9. The square root, it's 9. That's the opposite. So what number did you have to square to get 81? Well, 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. And then I write 9, that's my base, times my height is 3. 9 times 3, 27 centimeters squared. Very nice and very easy. Number 12. We have now a triangle. So again, you ask yourself, what shape do I have to find the area for? It's a triangle. Formula, straight away, base times height divided by 2. Then we substitute the numbers. Base, 6, times height. Height is the only one standing up, the one that's 90 degrees to the base. No other one, not any number that you see in there. It's only the one that's perpendicular to the base, the one that touches the base at 90 degrees, the one that's standing up. So 6 times 3 divided by 2. 6 times 3 is 18 divided by 2. And half of 18 is 9 centimeters squared. It's really, really easy. Number 13. We have an area again. What shape do we have to do? It's a parallelogram. The area for a parallelogram is base times height. You must remember these formulas, but with practice, they're going to get easier to remember. Base is 6. Height, the one standing up, don't get confused with the 8, we've got nothing to do with it. 5. 6 times 5, 30 centimeters squared. Question 14. Again, find the area. I've given you a tip at the bottom of the page here, which says for question 14, to find the area, split the shape into 2. Work them out separately, then add together. So I'm going to split it into 2 because I don't have a formula for the area of this shape. This is called a compound shape. I don't have a formula for it. However, if I split it into a rectangle like that, and if I split it into this little rectangle like that, I can work it out. So this first rectangle has a width there, or a base of 5, and it's got a height of 8. So we know that that area is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. This one on the side now, well, 5 has been used up out of the whole 10. You can see that we have a whole length of 10. 5 were used up here, so it leaves me with another 5 on that one for me to get 10. So I know that that size here is 5, and I know that the height is 3 because I can see that is given to me. So that area is 15. Now I add them together. 40 times 15 is 55 centimeters squared. And I'm done with all the areas. We're going to move on to perimeters. Perimeters are really, really easy because all we're going to do is go around and add up, because perimeter is distance around the 2D shape. So let's go. First shape, I have a rectangle, so I have 4 sides to add up. Let's go. I have a 9 plus a 3 plus a 9 plus a 3. I'm going to go around, so bear in mind they're all 9 and 3, so I'm just going to go around and add them. These two give me a 12. Oops, that's a 3 as well. These two give me a 12. So together they give me a 24 centimeters. So perimeter is 24 centimeters. Question 3. I have a triangle. It's asking me to find the perimeter. Okay, so a triangle has 3 sides. So I need to add 3 numbers, no more. I go around, I start with 6, and I go around and collect these numbers all around. So 6, add 7, add 4. 6 add 7 is 13, add 4, that's 17 centimeters. Question 13. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram. How many sides does the parallelogram have? It's got 4 sides. So I have to add just 4 numbers. 6, add to this side here would be 8, because it's the same as that one there. Add to the one on top, which is 6, the same as the one underneath, plus 8. Chunk it. So these 2 are 14, these 2 are 14. So these 2 together are 28. So your perimeter is 28 centimeters. Question 14. Find the perimeter. Now, we need to decide or check rather than decide and find out how many sides does this shape have. Now, clear the numbers here so that you don't get confused with it. And we find exactly how many sides it has. So let's go together. 10, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it has 6 sides. I need to add 6 numbers together. Let's start with finding them. So 10 is there already. We're going to go around. So I'm going to go around and collect all these sides together. So 10 plus 8 plus 5. Now this side here, I don't have a number for. However, this is 8, so the whole lot is 8. After I've taken 3 off, can you see this? What is it leaving me with? It's leaving me with 5, because these 2 together, so if it was 5 here, 5 add 3 would give me the 8. So I'm adding another 5 there, then I'm adding the 3. So I have 5 add 5 add 5, and we said this one here was 5, 2, and then I'm adding the 3. These 2 together give me an 18. You know that 3 5s give you a 15 plus the 3. These 2 give me an 18, so try to help yourself. 2 18s give me a 36. So perimeter is 36 centimeters. And that's what all it was for part 2. Please correct your work. You're going to have a test on this on Friday. So it's important that you try your best. And if you listen to the videos, you will be fine. Thank you, guys.